Yun naman pala eh.
In line with this, creating public opinion violates the freedom of expression, the freedom of speech,
Pwede yan sa coordinator, di ba?
just to move back to the public.
Bakit?
When a journalist or a politician is criticizing a person by irrelevant or rumor
Ay,
and
wala.
public or private life, he shall have the right to reflect the charges, publish or witness or criticism aired on broadcast. Mr. Chair, members of this House, he dictates what are not to be reported and what are to be reported. He therefore brings the journalism right to provide information for public interest. For example, the Red Line Broadcasting Company is licensed to operate the Pennsylvania station WGTV. On November 27, 1964, the station carried a 15-minute broadcast by Reverend William Haskins. He is part of the mission series. A book of Fred J. Cook was discussed entitled Gold Dollar Exchange on the Line. Having said that Cook had been fired by the newspaper for making false charges from city officials, that he had worked for an affiliated company of publication, that he had attacked Alder Reed and defended J. Edgar Hoover and defended when Cook heard of this broadcast, he concluded that he had been personally attacked and demanded for a free reply time, which the station refused. After an exchange of letter between the FCC, the Red